Hey, welcome to the channel. We started out over a decade ago as just Steampunked Out, focusing mostly on the steampunk design and leatherworking supplies, and since then we've continued to grow. We've added the Nemesis gear line, and that's going to be more general Comic-Con cosplay type stuff, and you will catch us vending at conventions occasionally, as well as our online store. And we're actually up in the wood shop right now because lately wand making has been a really big thing, so we have added the Knox Hollow Wood Shop up here for our new brand, and gosh, we just keep coming up with new things to make, and we really appreciate your support. So if you'll give us a thumbs up on our videos, and do make sure that you comment and let us know what you like, what you don't like, if you have questions about things, because we're going to continue to do a lot of wand making videos, as well as the occasional woodworking video or leatherworking video, and sometimes we'll sneak some metalworking in there as well. And if you're a maker, then welcome. Hopefully you'll see some kind of behind the scenes of how we do some stuff, and maybe you're just interested, even if you're not a maker, you're just interested in how we make some of the products that we do. So hopefully we've got something for you on the channel. We really appreciate your support, so we look forward to seeing you on future videos. Thanks for watching.